Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginners or the A1 level. Today we will discuss more detailed vocab related to our family and the relations. So the name of our today's topic is Lektion 13, der Stammbaum und die Beziehungszweig, the family tree and the relations. As you all know, this is the continuation of our previous lesson, that is Lektion 12, der Stammbaum und die Beziehungseins. If not, please go through it. Now let's begin our today's topic. Die Lebensphasen, the life phases. A man goes through totally 7 phases throughout his lifespan. So let's see them one by one. Das Baby, the babies, meaning is baby. Das Kleinkind, repeat after me. Das Kleinkinder, unter 6 Jahren, meaning is toddler. Das Kind, die Kinder, meaning is child. Der Junge, die Jungen, meaning is boy. Das Mädchen, die Mädchen, meaning is girl. Der Teenager, die Teenager, von 13 bis 19 Jahren, from 13 to 19 years, meaning is teenager. Der Erwachsene, die Erwachsenen, meaning is adult. While learning the German vocab, few things you must keep in your mind. First one is the gender in singular. Look at here. The baby is having a neutrum gender. Junge, boy, is having a masculine gender. Mädchen, girl, is having a neutrum gender. So initially I recommend you to learn the nouns along with their articles only. One more thing, when singular subject is getting converted into the plural, you can notice here the article the is same but the subject endings are getting changed. Look at here, s, er, n, Mädchen, n, and so on. Totally there are 7 singular to plural form conversion. We will see them in our coming lessons. Die Generationswörter, the generation words. Die Großmutter, singular, die Großmutter, plural, oder die Oma, plural, die Omas, grandmother oder grandma. Second generation word is der Großvater, die Großväter, oder der Opa, die Opas, grandfather or grandpa. Zusammen sehen, die Großeltern, the grandparents. Der Enkel, die Enkel, grandson. Die Enkelin, die Enkelinnen, granddaughter. Zusammen sind die Enkelkinder, grandchildrens. Die Mutter, die Mutter, oder die Mutti, die Muttis, mother or mom. Der Vater, die Väter. Der Vati, die Vatis, father or dad. Zusammen sind die Eltern, parents. Einige Vokabeln, some vocabulary. Der Sohn, repeat after me. Die Sonne, meaning is sun. Die Tochter, die Tochter, meaning is daughter. Their brooder, the brooder, meaning is brother. The Schwester, the Schwestern, meaning is sister. Their Ehemann, the Ehemaner, meaning is husband. Die Ehefrau, die Ehefrauen, meaning is wife. Their Onkel, the Onkel, meaning is uncle. The Tante, the Tanten, meaning is aunt. Their Vetter, oder the Cousine. The Vettern, oder the Cousins, meaning is cousin, masculine form. Die Cousine oder die Cousine, die Cousinen, meaning is cousin in feminine gender. The actual German word for the cousin is der Vetter. This form is used quite a lot, too much. The female form, however, is barely used. Der Neffe, the Neffen, meaning is nephew. Die Nichte, the Nichten, meaning is niece. Now let's see few more vocab. Die Geschwister, repeat after me. Die Geschwister, meaning is siblings. Die Zwilling, the Zwillinge, twin. Der Mann, the Männer, meaning is man. Die Frau, the Frauen, meaning is woman. Their Herr, the Herren, meaning is Mr. or Sir. The Familienstand, the family status. First one is ledig, meaning is single. Verheiratet, meaning is married. Geschieden, meaning is divorced. Verwitwet, meaning is widowed. Der Verwandte, the Verwandten, relative. Der Freund, the Freunde, meaning is friend, masculine. Die Freundin, the Freundinnen, meaning is friend, female friend. Männlich, male. Weiblich, female. Die Beziehungs, Beziehungen, relation or the relationship. Übung time. So let's do some practice. Haben Sie die große Familie? Do you have a big family? Ja, ich habe die große Familie. Yes, I have the big family. When the negation, answer is negation, then nein, ich habe nicht die große Familie. No, I don't have the big family. Another way of saying the negative answer, nein, ich habe die kleine Familie. No, I have the small family. So do write down your answer in a comment section like ja, ich habe, your answer, nein. If negation, your answer should be nein, ich habe, your answer. I hope you have learned, enjoyed and understood our today's topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. And kindly hit the bell notification that will give you my latest video update. Any suggestion, queries and answers are welcome in the comment section. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Videos. Bleibt gesund, munter und glücklich. Auf Wiedersehen!